Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color Beautiful Queen step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I draw two eyes. Then I draw the Queen's face. This is nose. This is the top queen. This is hair. Beautiful heart. Now I will draw the Queen's two hands. I am drawing the Queen's beautiful dress. I will draw some curved lines. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Green color, red color. Next time, use pink color. Peach color, that is skin color on its face and hands. Sky blue color, like this. Okay, it's beautiful, wow! Dark green color, I really like this color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!